Hi, let's look at the recipe sharing app that I have developed in Spring Boot and React.js. This is the recipe sharing app. I deployed it in on Google Cloud on this Kubernetes cluster right now that is running in US East location. You can see this is the place where you can access the website, uh, and this domain is linked to the IP address of Kuben. This is the certificate, and this is the IP address on which uh, currently the app is running. You can let me show you. You can look at the ingress right now. This is the IP address on which the domain is running, and this ingress is routing all the traffic to all the pods. Let me describe it, and you can have a look. You can see the ingress. This is the backend service is running on this port where the Spring Boot app is running as a jar file on one of the parts, and the front end is running as a uh, is getting all the this path leads to front end, and you can look at the status of all the pods are healthy and up and running. You can see there is a load balancer uh, provided by the ingress that is helping with load balancing the service. And right now, the database I'm running it on is a Postgres database. You can look at the persistent volumes uh, of 5 GB in which I'm storing all the data. The app is basically connected to Amazon S3. If you let me show, users can log in with their email ID and password. Uh, the app, and like they can uh, actually look at all the posts by other users. They can even create their own post basically, and you can see they can just create some recipe. The user can give the title of create a post by giving a recipe. You can look at the preview of the image, preview of the post. You can write, the users can write the instructions on how to make a recipe. They can write the ingredients in a recipe and create the post, and you can see the post was created. The users can like a recipe, they can go to the feed, and everyone can see the feed, and they can share all their recipes on this app. They can even delete some of the recipes if they want to, if they don't like it, and create more recipes as well. And you can see that as we create more recipes, you can see in the home page there are more recipes that are available. I can log out and maybe sign in as a different user, and even other users can view the recipes that are shared by the shared by other users. You can see the profile, this person shared this recipe, the ingredients, instructions to cook it, and basically all these images are stored on Amazon S3, and the Spring Boot app is helping facilitate this connection of storage, and all the data present here is basically stored in Postgres database. Users can even, it's a simple app. You can sign up if you want to with some email ID and password. You can give any password you want to. Mm, and upload a image profile picture for yourself. Let's just say I want to upload this with my profile picture. I can sign up. Once I sign up, I'm able to see all the posts, like them. And if you see right now, he hasn't created any posts himself, so you cannot, this user does not have any recipes. If he wants to create his own recipe, he can do so by creating the post, and he create you can see if you give an invalid JPEG image, it will not accept it. There is verification for that. And see the recipe has been created. And if you look in, this is the place where I'm storing all the images. Basically there is a recipe front end and back end image where uh, for for the front end and back end that I have created, through which uh, the pods are being spun up by the Kubernetes cluster. You can see these are the detailed instructions through which you can create the app. And you can see there is like some uh, basically first you build the package, create a Docker container, test it, and then tag it and push it to the artifact registry. Once it's done, you can deploy it and connect it to a service and manage SSL certificates. If you see the connection is secure, basically possible through this is all possible through Google Cloud Certificate Manager, basically which helps manage all the certification process for free. And yeah, this is the app that I have developed.